Vince finds Alex Len for the jam.
There by McGee, a little float shot there.
Trey goes up and in. And a timeout for Los Angeles. Nice pass. Alex in transition. And Trey Young. Another offensive rebound for the Lakers. And again, they failed to score on it. Not this time, though. Anthony Davis with the jam. Trey Young to Alex. Spin it to the corner. Grab. It's the three. There you go. Only way they can win this game. Got to hit the threes. Anthony Davis. Leaking out AD. Now, Trey, you don't need to foul him. LeBron has come out of the game momentarily. Here's the pass inside. Alex trying to get it off. All kinds of problems. Got it up on the glass and scored it.
Impossible shot there.
Kevin Huerter. Then shovels to Reddish. Carter with the fade. And this is a two-point game. Lakers take an under. Back to AD. Spin. Connects.
That's
what a
where he's
shot.
deadly. That's where he's deadly.
To the shot clock. Rebound Reddish. Inside to Parker. Scoops to Alex Len. Blocked by Dwight. Huerter gets it back. He scores.
LeBron James.
And he takes it right to the hole. By LeBron James, 3-on-2. LeBron middle lane. Out to Rondo for three.
To him too late.
Reddish sidesteps Dwight, lays it in. Five on the shot clock. LeBron. Another dagger from LeBron James.
Wow.
Danny Green has struggled with his shot today. The little floater is good. The board out to Trey, looking in transition. Trey's going to go down, left hand score. How dominant they can be as a duo.
And
Trey for three, yes.
And 22 rebounds between the two guys.
Trey Young's up to 28, and minute 33 to go. Trey looking to deliver. Trey down the lane, taken away by Davis, and a foul on Parker.
Anthony Davis read that all. I mean, it's the right idea, but you got to move without the ball so he can have an outlet. But Anthony Davis so long, it's going to be hard to get that shot off. See it again from this angle there. Good hands by Anthony Davis. Yep. Yeah, just a piece. Got to get a stop here.
On a day where the Lakers have turned it over a season-high 22 times. Blocked by Parker. And that's going to be a coach's challenge. Lloyd Pierce didn't see any contact at all. I thought Parker got all ball.
Well, he did. He got all ball. You got to see if the contact came from down low. Oh, man, that's no foul.
Trey looks to get it in. The bounce to Vince. Carter. He's going to drive and kick. Corner three. No good by Cam. Batted around. Loose ball to the Lakers and a foul with 5.5.
Hey, they got a wonderful look at the basket. A wonderful look.